where adventure is born. Here, the transformation begins. Raw aluminum and steel are precisely staged, embarking on This is where engineering excellence begins. The birth of the BMW R 1250 GS.
The foundation of the R 1250 GS chassis relies on millimeter-accurate CNC laser cutting.
Check the tolerance at this mount point.
Reads well within the 0.5 threshold. Alignment confirmed.
Approved for release.
We're maintaining the micron tolerances on the exhaust ports.
Confirmed. The flow optimization looks consistent across the batch.
With the camshafts precisely lowered, the locking tools engage. The diagnostics. Electronic torque tools ensure uniform clamping, confirmed by the digital display, guaranteeing a perfect seal before the engine moves to the next stage. Using electronic torque wrenches, the assemblers follow a precise pattern sequence. Digital screen
The unique BMW telelever system separates the steering and damping functions. Here,
The braking system installation is critical. Technicians meticulously secure the calipers and route the high-pressure hydraulic.
Seals inspected, no leaks detected.
Digital confirmation complete. Ready for ignition sequence.
checksum status on the ABS module.
Verification successful. All systems synchronized and validated.
Alignment is perfect. Approved.
Logging the results now. Ready to advance.
Once cleared, the motorcycles are staged for global distribution, the final step in a precise manufacturing process.
With the documentation sealed and the barcode scanned, the shipment is confirmed and ready for transport.
The corrective actions implemented last cycle have stabilized the polymer defect rate.
Yes, all suppliers are currently within spec.
Sorting accuracy confirmed on the steel stream.
Good. The diversion rate is already up 0.5% this quarter.
The gate interlock sequence is complete and verified.
Confirmed. All systems show green. Safe to operate.
Assembling the R1250GS requires precision. Pay close attention to the quality checkpoints.
Temperature stabilizing right on target, 450 Celsius.
Confirmed. The batch is ready for casting.
The chromoly steel tubes undergo a rigorous surface treatment, ensuring optimal corrosion protection.
Temperature holding steady at 720 Celsius.
Flow rate is optimal. Looks good.
SPC data confirms stability across the board.
Excellent. Continuous monitoring initiated. The adjustments here cleared the bottleneck at Station 4.
Yes, the heat map confirms it's running green across the board now.
Lock the parameters. We've hit the target tack time.
As you can see, the chassis fabrication adheres strictly to the new protocol.
Yes, the digital twin confirms the tolerances are within spec.
From raw material to finished machine, the loop is complete. A testament to precision engineering, ready to repeat.